How to buy crypto with credit or debit card on Binance website. Log into your Binance account and click Buy Crypto, then Credit or Debit Card. Select the fiat currency you want to pay with and the crypto you want to buy. If your desired currency is not listed, it means that currency is not supported on credit card purchases. Please try using another currency instead. Enter the amount you want to pay and the system will automatically display the amount of crypto you can get. Click Buy. If you haven't added a credit or debit card before, a pop-up window will appear. Click Add New Card and enter your card details. Please note that you can only pay with credit cards issued in your name. Enter your billing address and click Pay Now. You might be redirected to your bank's OTP transaction page. Follow the instructions to verify the payment. Once the payment is verified, your order will be processed. You can view the status of your order under Order History. Your purchased crypto will be credited to your Binance account directly. You can check it by going to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. If you have purchased crypto and haven't received it in your wallet 2 hours after the purchase, please contact Binance support for assistance. Sign up to Binance using the link below the video to get bonuses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.